Hi, I'm Roger with Minuteman Heating and Air. More than ever, your house filter should be checked and replaced once a month. Making sure you have a strong rated filter to trap viruses and pollens in the air is very important. A dirty filter will not only expose your family to unwanted particles in the air, it will also put a strain on your system, causing failures, or worse, having to replace the system. Do you have a smartphone? Put a monthly reminder on your calendar to replace your filter. Make sure you have a recurring button. You're set. For all your heating and AC needs, please give us a call today at Minuteman Heating and Air.